shot. You got the face like you know, see your headshot. Click clap, go. Headshot. Sick. Ready life.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word, YouTube? It's your boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss. And I'm back with another video for you guys. People, we're back. We're finally back. We are finally back in Grenada. What's popping? It's been a minute since I did a video for you guys. I apologize. You think, but I just came back to the YouTube. You know, I was missing for a minute, right? Okay. You don't know reaction boss. You don't know chop. Anyways, I miss y'all. Comment on this video to see your comment right there. Next video that I post. We're posting every single day. Drop some songs, drop some new artists over there in Grenada. Yeah, want me to react to. You feel me? But the best place to reach the man is Instagram at Life of Tyre. But people wanna go on, you feel me? We're trying to reach 20k subscribers on the channel before October the 31st. Today is the 22nd. Well, we'll probably get this video like tomorrow. I don't know. But we have a song from Taxi, people. The song is called Headshot. You see me? Look see what's going on right now. Look see what's going on right now. Taxi, big up myself. For a long time I'm touching and represent for Grenada, and you will say some boom and I come back with it. So we go see what's going on. Oh, myself over Grenada, we get it. Blade! This is a man from Grenada. Blade! Big up myself, contagious. Right tune!
Zone it.
Crystal.
Oh gosh, the money I no blade again. I no lasty dog them I use again, people. I no lasty dog them I use over there again, people. I can see what go on.
Click clap, go. Headshot. Sick. Ready life.
I shut it out them say.
Headshot. Click clap, go. Headshot. Sick. Ready life when we leave. Me and my friend them don't take charge.
Alright.
In the face you know see your headshot.
What?
He's on it dog. And you could dead fast. Watch you move around me, you could get shot. Yeah, I just a life when me leave. Me and my friend them don't
Take chat.
In the face like you know see your headshot.
Yeah, say man, your friend don't take chat. People, I don't see life when live. People, my friend of them money.
Load up the matic, let me put in the work. First shot, clap them badness cut. Monsters out and we don't give a fuck. When me hit the club, all the bad bitch I talk.
Alright.
What you saying, coming out an old talk.
Alright.
This.
People, at the right time to the video, people are Halloween time America right now. Watch your style there. He dog have on him costume.
Right in your drop, toxic on the go, and that's a fact. So versatile and me approve that.
Kawa.
Sign up me ride them, try copy that.
Yeah.
Slick out the slogan, purple and deck. So neat that you looking for your death. Never see a boy where me a fear yet.
Kawa.
So much stuff that are running on my head. So much people they want me dead. So anywhere me go, you me carry me lead. And the boy at this.
Anyway, dog ain't carry it left the yard not at all.
One in them head, any life when me leave. Me and my friend them
will take shots.
If not in the face, you know, see your headshot. These on it, dog, and you could dead fast. Watch you move around.
Yeah, I like it. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Well, no, come on, what you toss on the song? Well, I know you just stay out vibe with the reaction boss or anything. Let me know what is going on. What you toss on the bad song? Your life we live. You want him friend don't take shot. You diss him. And a bumbo clot headshot. I him say it and me. Go on!
You could get shot. Yeah, I just a life with me. Me and my friend them don't take shots. If not the face like you know, say your headshot. The whole world welcome toxic, yeah, the sick boss. Right now my head freaking frost.
Yeah.
Violate me get seeking cross.
Yeah.
I lose them life for the sick fast. Rise it 38, 6 head shot. Don't feel bag of money to
people rise it 30. Hold on, there's a kick. Hold on, I'm sorry.
Freaking frost.
Yeah.
Violate me get seeking cross. Boy lose them life for the sick fast. Rise it 38, 6 head shot. Don't feel bag of money do you know boy that.
Yeah.
Rag when you see me, yeah, you show boy that.
Yeah.
You're born legend and the world.
Fuck it up, yeah. Yo, my friend never take shot.
If not in the face, you know, see your headshot. These on it dog, and you could dead fast. Watch you move around me, you could get shot. Yeah, I just a life for me. Me and my friend them don't take shots. Feel like you know, see your headshot.
They got put down them over bumble clock Grenada one time, yeah, man. You got put all like that, them as me I say, go for like that, you see my taxes from the X team. Big up the X team, yes, people, listen. A long time when I react to a song from Grenada, you see me I say, so I say, I hope you don't find the video and find back your channel, you see me I say, I apologize for being gone so long. I'm back in effect, active as usual, you see me. We came back with a different settings right now, you see me. When we just started up, when we there, when I just started doing reaction videos, where was I at? OG fans, I was in my fucking car doing videos. I wasn't homeless, but it's just like, mother say, yo, you can't make so much noise in the house, Ray and Tay. Now I'm one place. Speaks for itself. I have to tell you nothing more about. Reaction bar sign out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Drop some more videos you want me to react to. And I'll see you in another video. Peace.